What if he didn't get out of the road and then misfired? So instead of actually going, okay, yeah, you say it misfired, but the way they were saying it was going, oh, yeah, it's such a joke. But this is typical people as far as I'm concerned. And we all do it, don't get me wrong. I've done it in the past, but well, now I've started to learn and go, hang on a minute, I'll start looking at perspective and looking at it the other way. So I looked at it straight away. I was about to say, so what if it misfired the other way? What if the thing had come down before he got out? Then what would you be talking about? So think about that. He's putting his, number one, his ego away.